Hey friends, Veg Kolhapuri is a popular dish in Maharashtra, a go-to meal loved by everyone in my home. It's always a hit. I'll show you how to make it extraordinary with Maggi Masala-ae Magic. The special blend of spices will elevate the flavors, making this dish even more amazing. So let's start. We'll start by boiling some vegetables for this. I'll start by adding some green peas, some chopped potatoes, chopped carrots, capsicum and cauliflower. And it's done. Heat oil in a pan. Add chopped onion and saute until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add chopped tomatoes and cook till soft and oil starts to separate. Add turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala and the kolhapuri masala. Mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the spices blend. Add the boiled vegetables. Mix everything gently. Add about 1 cup of water, adjust the consistency as needed and season with salt. Simmer the curry for 8 to 10 minutes until the flavors are well combined. Add the Maggi Masala-ae Magic. Maggi Masala-ae Magic is made with 10 spices, roasted and blended to perfection. Maggi Masala-ae Magic adds extraordinary taste to daily dishes. I can add Maggi Masala-ae Magic to any daily recipe, dal, curry, dry veg, and it elevates the dish. Add this to your dal or sabzi and give 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to melt together before turning off the gas. I'm gonna taste this because it looks amazing and the aroma is so good I cannot resist myself. Do try this recipe at your home.